Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. I hope all is well with you. So today's date is May 12th, 2026, and we are here to do the justice to some of those things that concerns us. So I saw a post on Facebook. Someone shared audio of Hypocritical. Many of you know who Hypocritical is, the guy that is not that doesn't show his face, but he's always on PM and anybody that has to, on anything that has to do with PM. He is the one that for past 4 to 5 months now, according to Lazuba, she's in contact with Lazuba constantly. And I've said something about Lazuba and the Hypocritical so many times here on this platform. Remember, what you do here is to say the truth and to expose lies, to point fingers at those that are pointing fingers at other people, whereas their own fingers are not actually representing well. What do I mean by that? Those of them that are committing crime or using other crime committed elsewhere to just label it on their perceived enemy, for their enemy to be behind the bar or for the enemy to be sent to Chukwuka. This is their job. And sometimes in life, we need to also, examine ourselves, because I find this shocking that some people who call themselves Igbo Biafrans can devote time looking for a way to blackmail another person, just because you don't like the person, just because that person disagree with what you agree. So you think that you don't have the right to call for their head and all that. Ebe Kodiga have been on PM. Anything that has to do with PM, or anybody that is a friend to PM, this guy we claim that he knows because he claimed that he's an intelligence officer, he knows in and out. I could remember when he said that he went to Finland, and in Finland, he went to Finland and then now moved from Finland to homeland, Biafra land, to do investigation, that he's the one that brought Finnish government to homeland to do investigation. And in fact, this guy has said a lot of things. And I'm not here to tell you anything about him other than what is on social media. Now, I saw a video. It's a kind of audio message, though, what he said. And I want you to listen to that. Then after, I have something to say or something else to show you. Let's just do comparison, but let's just understand each other, because we are at the end of the day, we are Igbos. At the end of the day, we are Biafrans. You don't need to demand your brother's head for no just reason. That's why I find this shocking. What you can Guru Ago, why you agree, and people like them, Kesh or so, and rest of them. These are people who will tell you that Simon Ekpa is a criminal, this is that. They will still tell you that Udele is another bad person, right? But Udele is a friend to their boss. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Chike Dozemu, Chinasa Woru, all of them are in DOS, right? Ebekodike is working for DOS, right? Ebekodike will now turn around and criticize Udele for the job that he's doing at Chinasa and Ike Guruaga and all that. After criticizing them, he will not turn around to criticize someone like Biafran Prime Minister and other Biafrans who disagree on what they're doing. But their boss are in a very good time with Udele and Ike Guruaga. You see, I don't know if it's just stupidity or out of ignorance, stupidity and ignorant, or is it just that their own level of saboteurs have blocked that sense of reason? Because how can you claim that you're in DOS and that DOS is a very good friend, the boss, the Oga in DOS, which is not math in American, because the current DOS now is actually meant to sabotage the movement, all right? So the people there piloting the affairs, are they piloting anything? Organizing flag bearer in the state of Europe, which is some people called carnival. Some say picnic, because that's what they do. They just order buffet, buffet rather, other buffet, this kind of where they cook food in the different dishes and everything, serve yourself method and all that. Put empty plates, you go down, serve yourself, and pick your work again and go and make take happy hour to the nearest, in the nearest lodge. Enjoy yourself. From time to time, they order that, gather together in the streets of Europe, enjoy themselves, entertain themselves, and go. Carry flags, nothing more, nothing serious. Now, Ebekodike, who is a servant to such a group, who is against Biafran Prime Minister and thousands of other Biafrans, is working with people who himself is criticizing their friend, Udele, what is what is Igbo name? Chukwukofu and Ikegurago, okay? They are all good friends, partners with China Saworu, Chike Doziem, and rest of them. Not this Ebekodike alone. Many people are like that. I saw another guy. I think the guy resides in Dubai. Maybe I will today in our live program. I will try my best to stream live today, and I will show you the guy. And I will, before we go to the main topic for that live broadcast, I will discuss about that guy, and I will show you, his video, just short videos. Then you understand. In his video, he's talking against USB government, even though Gekere, every other person is, to him is nonsense. Then in the same video, in the same platform of this guy, you now see he's another video where he's talking against Ikegurago and of course Udele. Then you now ask yourself, who is he working for? Because last time I checked, DOS, green, white, green agitators, they are the one that is in very good time with people who claim they are no longer for Biafra and they are demanding for the head of Master American. Now, let's quickly go to this program because I don't want to waste much time. I want to encourage you to like this video and share it to many platforms of your choice. Please do that. It's not going to cost you anything. It's 100% free. All right. So please do me a favor on that. Hear this.
For n'iru akwụkwọ a, onye unu ga-afụ Nnamdi Kanu Takanu na Emmanuel Kanu. I don't against that.
Negative you.
All in the line of my effort that na ọha nwa ndị na form the new 100 autopilot men. Ihe was the new.
Okay, because of the recent trend, this guy is then officially against Master Kanu, Kanu Takanu, and Meme Kanu. So Edonaya. That's why he said no down our form here. Gekwenti. Pay attention.
Men. According to my findings, Emanagwa Brumono that now Kanu Takanu nyere her assurance. Nyelo ndị autopilot assurance that they should not worry. In as much as Nyama to consign. Ogwa Gentle, Ogwa Botozo, Ogwa Lenje Makeup, Ogwa OIE Million, Ogwa B44, and other autopilot terrorist commanders. That in as much as Nyama to consign. Now once Nnamdi Kanu pụta, na aga agbaghara onye ọbụla na the criminality ha committee. Na aga agbaghara ha na the criminality ha committee. Ha nwa gadozie aka that place. Ọ bụrụ na watch on afọ na all this while ụmụaka na-egbu ndị mmadụ, na-kidnap ndị mmadụ, na-erep ụmụ nwaanyị anyị, na-ezu ohi, na-eseti family ndị mmadụ ọkụ. Kanu Takanu adịghị ekwu okwu, Emmanuel Kanu adịghị ekwu okwu. They supported them. Even their barristers. Inugwu ebe the barrister Aloy Ejimako, barrister Nnemeka Ejiofor, and the barrister Maxwell condemn their criminal activities. They cannot. Now, no forever the barristers. Ihe nji agwụ ihe na-esi mgbe isi dị na-arụ. Ana m ekwu na ọka m prizie ha ma ọ na ọka m kwuo prizie myself, but ihe m na-ekwu because of ihe na-eme na be anyị. Kanu nye ha assurance na aga forgive ha, but achọrọ m ka ha malụ amalụ na mụnwa wee bekwe dike na ndị egburu ụmụnne ha nwoke ma ụmụnne ha nwaanyị, na ndị egburu ụmụ ha na-arụ police officers, soldiers and the other security officers. Ha nwa ndị autopilot gburu enweghị forgiveness n'ebe ha nọ. Then ihe ji chọọ ihiwe this 100 men according to my intel owner, achọrọ ka ehiwe ha join ha with all the whole group si na ha na fight for Biafra, ka enwee that is smooth landed on forgiving them. Actually we smooth landed, actually we smooth land, and all Kanu we have plan all this thing. Obulu na ije n'ezie now, this lady na afọ ebe a ka a na-agba ife nwa asọmta mba na-asọ, ife nwa asọmta mba na-asọ ifụla ebe a onye Uguta, onye Uguta in Imo State. O si from Umuamala village town ya Egbuoma town from Ebosi Obi Island, Obeziri Island with Isaiah Oba. Then ọkwa na inekwa anya na mgbugo ya, inekwa anya na efukwa one lady a na-akpọ Joy Irobi. They are autopilot members. Joy Irobi bi Belgium. Ndị ha wụ ndị autopilot members. Ọ ha nwa na-enye ọda si enye ụmụ nwaanyị ahụ yefụrụ ka oge nkele na Ngozi Orabaeze wee do deadly. Ha gwa Simon na onye ọ na-apụta si gbuo ya. Ọlụ ha mgbe ha nọ Nigeria wee na-akpọje ndị politicians ụmụ nwaanyị ha na-edina. Ọlụ ha na-arụ mgbe ha nọ Nigeria before ndị politicians akpọpụsị ha outside the country. Or southeastern leaders uhe kpọpụsịrị ha outside the country. Ọlụ ha mgbe ha nọ Nigeria. Ọzọ dị ka ibie ọwụ na ị na-eru anya ọfụma ị ga-afụ mmadụ ka Barrister Nnaemeka Ejiofor, Barrister Maxwell Okpara and Barrister Roy Ejimako. Ihe a ndị autopilots. Allegedly they supported everything Simon Ekpa and their criminal gang na-eme because enwere proof about that. So ịpụtasị m that na ha were a member of autopilot mmasị na asị maka na ịbata na the 100 men according to internet nwetara all of them not there. Oge nkele a member of autopilot, Ngozi Orabaeze a member of autopilot, then Joy Irobi a member of autopilot. Ịkwụ ụgwọ akwụ ụmụnna ndị Kanu kwụsị ya isend ego for their upkeep. So onye mere ihe a tụ ụmụ nwanne nwoke kidnapụrụ kpọchie na nga ọgụ nwa na onwe ka ọ ya akpọ mmadụ. That is the reason why o ji refuse despite all the whole information nyere ya. Ịgwa Simon Ekpa ya si release ndị niile ha kidnapụrụ. Ha use were ndụ ndị be anyị na-atụ ma ndụ ndị polisi ma ndụ ndị amị ma ndụ ndị be anyị ma unu ndị mmadụ rụcha mgbe ihe dị mma wee na-atụ akawo in the name of agitation. Onye ọ na-agwago na ihe Ikenga uru agụ na-eme adụghị mmasị onye a na mnwa webe kwedike si na-asị Ikenga is fighting for justice. Ka ndị egburu egbu nwee justice. The same thing ka ụlọ Nneka Chimezie. She's not happy. She's fighting for justice. Because we go and chop that na n'ezie na ndị a Kanu nta Kanu with Simon Ekperima na ndị otu no ha plan.
Ijowa. And this is something that I want us to understand. All this nonsense this guy said here is expected. This guy bragged that he can kill anybody. They get them by the wood they gave up on, bow gave up on, toy up on, He threatened people as if his own life is somewhere else. Now, how can you be saying that you are fighting against those who are buying people, but you constantly demanding for the life of other people? I've played the video. I have shown you many times here. Some of his videos, his message, where he demand, he threatened people like his omnipresence. Now, the way you can see the way his Igbo language, you know that this guy is not from Abia, he's not from Imo, but he's either from Anambra or Enugu State. These two places, that is where he comes from. But I'm not going to go there. Let's just forget about it because it's a story for another day. Did you hear what he said about Ndami? Nande Bulumu one never on our na police. You went away from. You went away from, and they want to revenge. And he himself and their group are in better position to revenge. Am I saying that hey, now the case we won't damn the police? No. I don't support or killing of anybody, most especially anybody from the Igbo tribe. But we also need to understand something, that when announcement is being made, for example, May 30th is coming soon, coming very fast, right? That day is sit at home. In that sit at home, if you decided not to sit at home, people who don't like anything May 30th, they will do something on that day to make it look like the May 30th is a day to buy people. You have enemy is that you have an enemy is that you have an enemy. You don't need to, grab your pillow and sleep and doze off thinking that another level, everything is just normal. Everything is just salad. Don't worry. No. Your enemy can use you against your people. Your enemy can use your people against you. Ndị Igbo need to understand this because when sit at home is being mentioned, some say, no, they don't want to sit at home. Don't you think that those who say they don't want to sit at home could organize something, any crime, to make it look like those who call for sit at home are the one buying people because of sit at home? That is aside. That one is just aside. Then we know how many people, not that I know them, 1, 2, 3, 4, but we know many series of incidents, events, where Nigerian Army, Nigerian Police, Ibubagu, Dogache, torture civilians and buy them. Mazda Mekano's house is the example. People that protested in Iwocha is an example. People that died in Okpok is an example. People that died in Aba Primary School is an example. People that died in Emene in Enugu State is an example. Now, all these things, all these events are people's siblings, brothers, and others. So since you guys, you a book that is saying now that you cannot forgive, you cannot do this, what don't you think that people that lost their loved ones could also be saying the same thing you're saying? Then at the end of the day, who is now calling for war in our land? You find out that in your quest to bring peace, you are actually calling for war. In this video, you say that you love what Iken Guru is doing. Okay, you like it. So don't you think that those that are falling victim of that, we also somehow want to revenge? We are all Igbos. We are warriors by nature. And I'm not going to say much about it. I just want you for people to understand. You come out publicly begin to celebrate the imprisonment of PM Samonepa. You love it. You say dog has had life sentence. And you forgot that he has followers as well. His followers will, after hearing you think they will be, my brother, thank you so much for what you've said. Think about it. At the end, now we dey fight each other. Now we dey fight ourselves. Remember before formation of ESN, Mazokan called Igbos in army in police to resign and join. Now we are not saying that they are non-Igbofa. The same army that has a very terrible record in the eastern part of Nigeria, in Biafra land. If you don't want to see through those ones, okay. I can't force you, right? We can't force you. You don't report any other crime, any other thing that is going on in our land. You don't talk about it. Your focus is just on anything Biafra or anything, something like that. You are just against anything Biafra. Now, this is something that happened recently, okay, in Biafra land, in Igbo land, Nani, watch.
04 Solex, onye akụkọ ụwa. Ihe onyonyo a ị na-ahụ n'iru ebe a bụ ozi nke anyị si na steeti Anambra were nweta ebe ụfọdụ ụmụnne anyị bụ ndị bụ ndị ọrụ nchekwa obodo nwudere ọtụtụ ndị ugwu bụ ndị Fulani ndị ha na-enyo enyo dịka ndị ga-abụ ndị na-eyi ndụ ụjọ na ndị omekome ndị ogbu mmadụ ebe ha so n'igwe wee buru ọtụtụ ngwongwo. Ha jụwa ha kedu ebe unu si kedụkwanụ ebe unu na-aga ewe na-akọwa na n'ime ndị ahụ niile bụ ndị ugwu ahụ na naanị otu onye bụ onye na-aghọta ajụjụ a na-ajụgodi ya.
Now, in case if you don't know, because I'm not going to play the video, we have talked about the video in the past. This is Fulani people committing crime, kidnapping, and ready to wage war in Igbo land. None of these people, what you get, none of them, they don't talk about this. They only have strength when it comes to Igbo people. Okay, even though you are in media, but you don't use your media platform to expose this kind of evil. You get as it be now. Get as it be. Then again, watch this because I'm rushing this video. Okay, watch.
Akwụkwọ ugbu a aka akparagokwanụ nwa okorobịa unu na-ahụ na vidiyo a. Nwa okorobịa onye ọrụ mburu ya ihe nwa okorobịa na-arụ bụ kidna ewee na-akọwa na onye ọbụla nwa okorobịa jidere na ego ole ọ na-anapụ ha bụ 500 million naira. Allegedly ya ị ga-abịa ka ikirie vidiyo a ka ịnụ ihe ndị nọ na ya kọmpaụnd ya bụ nwa okorobịa kwuru. Ya ị ga-ahụkwazi ruumu ebe nwa okorobịa na-edosa ndị atọtara. Ndị be ihe abụkwa ha na obere ihe biko inweta vidiyo a metụba aka na share button. Ụdị a ka ọ na-abụ ha pụta ha na-eri ego na-aza ori ego na oke ego ngụwa ịnọdị na-ewu ha anya ọkụ ịma ha the source of their wealth. Ịnọdị che na ị naghị agba mbọ kirie vidiyo a mata iru anyị ebumnobi gị ebe a na-edepụta ebumnobi.
Ebe a kidnapping na-ekinapụ ndị mmadụ na-ekinapụ ndị mmadụ wecha machiri ala ebe a eziokwu ọchịgodi onye ọjọọ na-aka ọ na-adị o nwere ji a na-agwa ya were nwe ya were nwe ya na-agbagharị agbago ọkụ ebiri agbago ọkụ kidnapping kidnapụ nwoke kra hospital ga-adọmpụ ya ebe a ga gosi na ebe adọmpụrụ ya ebe ebe a nweji achịrị ala ebe a ngosi na ebe ọ na-adọmpụ ndị mmadụ.
What we are seeing here happened just this week in Anambra State. All right. And as of time of recording this video, 9 hours ago, it was revealed that the medical doctor that this gang kidnapped has been released. As you can see, the hideout and where the man's compound is where he used as a hideout, and he has been caught and all that. Now, why am I sharing this with you? I'm sharing this with you because this will tell you that not every crime going on in Igbo land or everywhere has to do with Biafran agitators or anything. People that commit crime, they will torture them and say, you have to say you are IPP or ESN or you are from Simon Ekpa. You know, that kind of thing. That is the problem. Everybody working under the US as of now, those of them that are insulting Master American, like everybody can rest of them, they are the same people. Their job is to pick and buy, pick and buy, pick and buy. And they will turn around and tell you that they are not anybody more. This issue of revenge may create a very serious havoc in our society. You think that, like somebody says something, the only thing that can come to your mind is buy them, buy him, buy him. It's not like that. It's not like that. You see this crime now. If not that they captured it, they saw this one. If not that this man was, maybe I don't know how they captured him and trace him and rescue people that they hide in this building. Everybody hidden there was released. If not that they managed to do this one, Guess what they would have tell you that Biafran Samonekpa boys, and it was in the Banako. But this one, mark this video, go to their platform. Okay, you know what? I will be checking on Iken Gurag to see if you ever hear or see him talk about the video. Never. But the people will not talk about it. Why? Because the news is everywhere. If they lay hands on this news, when the whole thing, when the news break out, with that, because this one, Nigerian Medical Association were involved. They pushed Nigerian police to make sure they rescue the man, otherwise they will go on strike. They threatened federal government. That's why they managed to trace the kidnapper and caught him. Nigerian Medical Association, they're the one that raised alarm, serious one. And that is why the work, they did their job. Now, if not, let's assume that this kidnap of this man did not go viral. They will tell you that in Andi Biafra, if you now Andi Biafra, in the search of the man, other 5 people were released in the same building, meaning that those ones were just there waiting for the ransom to be paid. But because they catch the big fish, and big fish have already, by their phone, they have to vomit everything, and that is what happened today. Now, let's hear from BBC Igbo. This is a reporter.
Steeti ugbu a dịka ndị uwe ojii zọpụtara dọkịnta oyibo ndị ntọrịtọ
na mkpọ wada na Anambra State, okay, because of the man. Listen.
Mkpu ọṅụ adaala na Anambra Steeti ugbu a dịka ndị uwe ojii zọpụtara dọkịnta oyibo ndị ntọrịtọrọ kamgbe izuụka gara aga. Dọkịnta Edwin Emegakọ bụ onye isi ụlọọgwụ Crown Multi Specialist Hospital Mkpọ nke dị n'Idemmili North, Anambra Steeti. Ọ bụ na Tọzdee ụbọchị 7 nke ọnwa Mee ka ndị ntọrị wakporo ụlọọgwụ ya n'elekere
7th of May. This May. They went to the hospital and kidnapped him. Okay, 7th of May.
Isi nke mgbede tọrọ ya ka a na-achọ ndị tọrọ dọkịnta ahụ. Ndị otu ya bụ ndị Nigerian Medical Association NMA mara ọkwa na Satọde ụbọchị 9 nke ọnwa Mee na ha ga-amalite abụba ọrụ ma ọ bụrụ na ndị uwe ojii achọtaghị ya. Mana ozi ọma adaala ugbu a. Ozi pụtara bụ na ndị uwe ojii tọrọ ntị n'ala wee chọpụta na ọ bụrụ otu ụlọ duplex dị n'Obosi, Anambra Steeti ka ndị ntọrị ahụ dobere ya. Ndị uwe ojii zọpụtara ya na mmadụ 3 ndị ọzọ eji. Ka ọ dị ugbu a, dọkịnta Edwin Emegakọ enwerela onwe ya.
This is the doctor. This man. This is the doctor. If not that this news would have gone viral, they would have, baptized it. That is IPOB, ESN, Samonekpa, Biafra agitators, Ngozo Rabeze, anybody, anything, You see, why I have to why I tend to play these 2 videos after playing the hypocritical video? If for you to know, the man is not hiding. He did not hide it. He's telling that he loves what Iken Gurag is doing. Now, I want to ask you, what do you think? What do you have to say about everything?
Dịka ihe onyonyo na-efegharị na social media siri gosi, ndị ntorobịa obodo ahụ agbaala ụlọ ahụ ndị ntọrị.
Now, what is your take on everything I just discussed with you? Let me know what your take about it on the comment section. In case if you are wondering, maybe you are in search of the guy that is in charge of the kidnapping, look at him here. This man here. You see my picture? The next person after me is the guy that owned the house that you saw there, that the villagers have set ablaze. He's the one that kidnapped this man you are seeing here, and this has been his job according to the villagers. You see, thousands of this kind of people are there. But if anything happens, they will tell you the Biafra. Let's not forget that the innocent Toji is still there in the east, in Igbo land. Who is documenting the activities? God bless you. Please like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. See you again. Take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.